What's good everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be taking us through predicting on Zetarium Airdrop. So just come over to the website airdrop.zetarium.world. So once you come here, then you just need to scroll down. You have to go over to the prediction. So at these quick links you see prediction. Let's just click on the link, then we'll be redirected over to the prediction website, so where we are going to be seeing this will be performing predictions. So you can just go ahead to select anyone you want to go for. So you can predict the crypto, you can predict our spot. So before we predict, we have to claim a faucet that is 10,000 USDC. So what you just have to do is you have to click on claim. In the recent video I posted on my channel, I made a video on how to get the TBNB, which is going to be the network fee for claiming USDC. So I just go to confirm the transaction right now. Okay, I just click on this confirm button. The transaction is confirming. So what I just need to do is I just need to wait for it to be completed. Okay, it has been completed. I will be able to claim my next claim. That is about 24 hours time, and 10,000 USDC has been claimed. So once it has been claimed, now we just have to go back to the prediction site. So I can just click on the logo, then I'll just go to select the area I want to start predicting. So I'm going with general. So will the US confirm that alien exists before 2027? So I want to predict yes for this. I'll just scroll down, then I already selected yes. So I already selected yes there. So what I will just do is I'll just be entering the amount I want to predict with. Presently I'm having about 10k USDC. So I'll just enter the amount I'm going to be predicting with. So let's say I want to predict with 500. So you see, to win this particular amount, that is about 59% return. So you see it here, 59% return. Then you see the potential profit I'll be getting. So I just have to click on this buy yes. Then a transaction will pop up for me to confirm. So I'll just be doing that. Okay, so it has been confirmed and my position has been added. So you see yes, yes. You see about 600. So this is how to make prediction on Zetarium. So you can predict as long as you have enough USDC in your wallet. If you've not watched the video I made on the full guide about Zetarium airdrop, so you can just come over to my YouTube channel. So you see the video I made, Zetarium airdrop complete guide. Bye guys.